Hi, you're watching OTT Play. I am Nirali in conversation with the supremely talented star cast of Naam Namak Nishan, which is out today on Amazon Mini TV, welcoming Danish, Heli, and Varun for an exclusive conversation. Firstly, a warm welcome to all of you on OTT Play.
Thank you so much.
How's the response been so far? I mean, the initial response, if you guys had a chance to, go through the reviews, if at all.
I think the trailer got a lot of love. We saw that, like, everyone was really reacting to it. A lot of people I met also from the industry as well who also said that the trailer looks really nice. Plus, today only a couple of reviews have come out which have really liked the show. So here's to
Yeah. Haley, what was the response for you when the trailer was out, to your character? Whatever the little glimpse was there in it.
It was great, yaar. Like all my friends, fans, even my mom and my brother. पापा से तो पापा नहीं देखते इंस्टाग्राम या ऐसा, तो उनसे बात नहीं हुई. बट मम्मी को भी बहुत अच्छा लगा. शी वाज लाइक अच्छा, यू लुकिंग नाइस. एंड बाकी तो शी वाज कंटिन्यूसली आस्किंग मी कि क्या है शो के बारे में बताएं एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. बट द रिस्पॉन्स हैज़ बीन ग्रेट. I mean, people are actually waiting for the show, and now the show is out. But also I would like to mention कि जब भी लोग देखेंगे show, जो भी training है, सारी चीज़ें, they'll actually going to feel that it's real because इन लोगों ने बहुत मेहनत की है यार. They've really killed it, and ऐसा नहीं लगेगा कि ऐसे shoot हो रहा है या कुछ हम देख रहे हैं. It's actually going to feel very very real. So that's great.
Yeah, fingers crossed.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah, people will start watching even now today.
Yeah.
But Varun, it was surprising for fans and especially for me to see your last project, which was Karma Calling, and tackling difference in the character that you're playing in this series.
Yeah.
Tell me personally for you, what was the transition like?
So for Karma Calling, it was Ahan is more Varun, I feel, and I could relate to the character a lot. But when I read Yuvraj, मुझे लगा ये तो poles apart है. This is like completely opposite me. Yuvraj is very unaware of his emotions. He doesn't know how to express. He only looks at one direction and tries to follow it. For him, he's the right person and everybody else is the wrong person, which is not like me. तो मेरे लिए काफी बड़ा jump था to be a Yuvraj, but also like that challenge was very how do I say it, motivating for me as an actor, because I knew that my first project has gotten a lot of love and my character in that show got a lot of love, and I have to just build on Yuvraj and hopefully get love for Naam Namak Nishan also.
Yeah, definitely. But if I have to ask all three of you, which was the most rewarding thing for you guys for working on Naam Namak Nishan? The rewarding aspect.
I think working with great actors, great team, and for me it would be this was also the first show that I signed on the web space. So first are always special, right? तो और भी ज़्यादा एक लगा रहता है.
It's like close to your heart.
Yeah, absolutely.
Danish, what was it for you?
Actually, the proximity of also, like, being close to the army life as well, because never experienced it, don't know anything about it. Our only form of discipline could be a school per se. तो हमें इतना नहीं पता था. And also like living like them, also interacting with so many people who are from a background जिनको हम बिल्कुल नहीं समझ पाते. So it was that was the most interesting part. Also wearing the uniforms was also really rewarding in a lot of ways.
It also comes with a lot of responsibility.
Yeah, it
when
makes
you
you feel
play a
like
character like a army personnel in the series.
Yeah, and the whole aspect of being there and being in the moment was really big.
Yeah, Varun, what was it for you?
I think for me the most rewarding bit was that from this show I learned a lot of things about myself. That there's a limit that you have in your mind, and then there's a real limit that you have. And I think looking at the cadets, there were times where me and Danish were getting very tired, like our bodies were breaking down. But हम लोग बोलते थे कि यार ये लोग एक तो हमसे छोटे, ऊपर से डबल मेहनत कर रहे हैं. अगर ये कर सकते हैं तो to give it back to the Indian Army in some way or the other, हम लोग इतना तो सही सकते हैं. So I think it made me more mentally prepared for life and to take on more challenges. The show.
And like Haley, you mentioned earlier that these guys, I mean, have put in a lot of effort in terms of physically as well as mentally, mental space as well. Which was the one particular sequence, if you recollect now from the show, that was not only mentally taxing but also physically challenging for you?
Drills तो definitely were very physically taxed.
Swimming वाला मैंने सुना था.
हमारी एक पूरी exercise है. I can't reveal much about the exercise, but it's like a full, we call it the Ravantal, and it has a lot of aspects to it.
and that is definitely very mentally and physically draining.
Yeah.
But there's certain aspects in terms of like certain things that I feel my character Gurbaz had to live by, which you will have to watch the show to know more about, where there's a lot of trauma that's attached to him and his life, and those parts were actually more mentally taxing to I kind of feel, maybe step in his shoes and to feel like him, how he would have felt had someone been through with something like this. And yeah, that was something that really kind of was very difficult for me as an actor as well.
Kind of took a toll on you as well.
Definitely.
Yeah.
And emotionally was the biggest toll that it took on me. We had to definitely play out those sequences.
Varun, which was that sequence for you?
I think because मैंने बताया कि युवराज को अपने इमोशन एक्सप्रेस करने आते नहीं हैं. जब एक इंसान एक इमोशनल सिचुएशन में होता है और उसे अपने इमोशन एक्सप्रेस करने नहीं आते, so that struggle of dealing with what is happening inside of him was, I think, the toughest aspect for me, because there are scenes where Yuvraj is feeling a certain way, but he doesn't know how to react. He wants to cry, he's angry, he's emotional, but he doesn't know what to act like, because उसको emotions पता ही नहीं है. युवराज के डैड भी आर्मी में थे, युवराज का भाई भी आर्मी में है, तो बहुत ही मतलब आदमी रोता नहीं है, तो उसका वो सीन है. एंड आई थिंक दानिश और मेरे ऐसे काफ़ी सीन्स है जो लोग शो पे देखेंगे जो इमोशनल है, और दानिश इज एक्सप्रेसिंग व्हाट ही फील्स, बट युवराज को समझ नहीं आ रहा कि क्या होना चाहिए. तो आई थिंक दैट playing that bit was the most difficult and challenging part for me.
And Hilly, talking about your character, if I have to ask you, which was the one quality of your character that you would want to imbibe in yourself, and the one quality that you would never want to imbibe?
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, but I think Dr. Tina as a person, since she's a doctor also, she's very understanding, she's very empathetic. वो समझती है लोगों की problems को, या अगर दिमाग में कुछ चल रहा है. So that's why she's also trying to have a conversation with Yuvraj कि she feels that he's holding a lot of emotions inside. So she feels कि उसे बाहर निकालना कितना ज़रूरी है. And I think that quality is something which is very human, you know. किसी को समझना, उनसे बात करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. If the other person is not able to express.
Correct. But also Naam Namak Nishan has come on a medium, I mean OTT space, which has evolved in the last 5 or 6 years.
Absolutely.
Casting process has also changed. I mean, it has evolved. Today, when you see that, you know, casting is also done on basis of a person's social media following, what is your take on that? You know, do you feel it is kind of unjustified, given the fact that, you know, you are a celebrity, you have done some credible work in the past, and you see another person who is just been cast because of the followers he or she has on the platforms?
आई थिंक मेरे साथ तो नहीं हुआ अभी तक. मेरी भी डिसेंट फॉलोइंग है इंस्टाग्राम पे, पर मुझे हमेशा ऑडिशन ही करना पड़ता है.
But I've heard so many instances. What she's saying is absolutely right, because I was called once for an audition wherein they were like, okay, we're looking at somebody who has this or this followers. So होता है, and I think it's not fair.
Yeah.
Definitely, I feel they're dependent variables. Like people like get into different aspects of work. कुछ लोग कुछ और काम करते हैं, and that really helps them and really helps their image as well. But I definitely also feel when it comes to acting, I feel it should be mostly dependent on a variable of how you work as an actor,
Absolutely.
rather than just your amount of social media influence.
Correct.
Because eventually आप देखना चाहोगे कि पर्दे पे कौन अच्छा काम करता है, ना कि मतलब जनता लाना एक काम definitely है, but कौन कितना अच्छा कर सकता है, I think काबिलियत is something that's way more important than
100%.
like the people, in my opinion.
Varun, would you like to add?
I feel in my personal experience it's not happened because I have a decent amount of following, and मैं भी काफ़ी shows में reject हुआ हूँ क्योंकि शायद मैं उस row में fit नहीं बैठा. तो I think people who are casting according to the character is great.
Right.
That should be how it's done. अगर आप किसी की social media following देख के कर रहे हो तो आप एक तुक्का खेल रहे हो कि या तो चलेगा या तो नहीं चलेगा. There's no certainty in that. But again, काम बहुत important है, आपका craft बहुत important है, और अगर उसके ही basis पे आप selection आपका हो रहा है, then nothing better than that.
Yeah, but also as celebrities, you know, as public figures, you know, you guys enjoy a lot of attention that is not only from media but also from fans. It can be both positive and negative, you know, the kind of reactions you get, and especially when you are out on social media, the reactions can be extreme. It can be extremely harsh, it can be extremely good. In such situations, how do you guys handle the positivities? Of course, it can be overwhelming, but how do you handle the negative aspect of it?
I think taking negative criticism is something that we have to learn, and जनता ही बनाती है हमको. हमको ऑडियंस बनाता है. तो अगर उनको कुछ कहना है हमारे बारे में which is not in the positive light, then I think learn from it, work on yourself and move on to the next project. उसको दिल पे लेके बैठ गए तब तो हो गया काम. सीखो, take the pointers from it and then move on to the next project. बुरा फील करने वाली बात नहीं है क्योंकि वही हमको बना रही है.
Correct.
ऑल्सो आई थिंक इट्स बोथ द वेज. आई मीन पॉजिटिव भी आपको मिल रहा है तो उतना सर पे चढ़ा के मत बैठो अपने आप को. एंड इट्स द सेम विथ नेगेटिव क्रिटिसिज्म ऑल्सो. आई मीन क्रिटिसिज्म इज ग्रेट, कंस्ट्रक्टिव क्रिटिसिज्म आप सीखो उससे आगे बढ़ो. बट इवन इफ अगर आपको बहुत प्यार मिल रहा है, खुश रहो. आई मीन
Don't take it to your head, like people say.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Then what are your thoughts?
Definitely, like humility is something
Yeah.
that is important, and I feel that if it's definitely work related, then you should take it as it is because they decided.
True.
And अभी इतनी जनता नहीं है मेरे पास, तो और जो जनता इकट्ठा होगी तो ज़्यादा अच्छे से बता पाऊंगा कि कितना how does it really affect.
But now I have a fun segment on a lighter note. It is who's most likely to. Starting with, I mean, the first question is who is most likely to arrive late on set but also come up with a creative excuse for it.
Who? You?
Can we
No,
both
हम
of
तो
us-
साथ में आ जाते
वहाँ भी ब्रदरहुड था शो में.
पास भी रहते थे तो इजी हो गया था. तो पर हम क्रिएटिवली बहुत सोच के आते थे. हाँ.
हम दोनों.
Okay, the next is who is the last one to leave the set.
Danish and me.
Last.
Next question. Who is most likely to take a power nap in between shots?
Haley.
No.
वरुण. मैं वरुण नहीं सकता.
मैं
तब
कहीं
भी
नहीं
नहीं
सो जाता
था.
था.
कहीं नहीं सोया था वरुण.
Okay, the next is who is most likely to accidentally spill coffee or tea on his or her costume.
तुमने कराई है?
ये हेली हो सकती है मुझे.
मुझे क्यों लग रहा है हेली है?
मुझे भी लगता है हेली है.
ये वैसे
वेजिटेरियन खाना
शो पे-
काफी वेजिटेरियन खाना लाती थी.
शो पे बड़ी पॉइस रहती थी पर आई थिंक थोड़ी क्लमजी है हेली. तो ये पॉसिबली
Okay.
डॉक्टर का होता है यार.
डॉक्टर को
तभी कोट पहन के घूम रही होती थी कि खाना गिराना दूं मैं.
तो थोड़ा visible हो जाएगा. Okay, the next is who is most likely to randomly burst into a laughter in middle of a scene.
That is definitely me.
Yeah.
फनी करना पड़ता था यार. फनी सीन्स करते करते कि
नहीं,
करते
कभी कभी ना जोन में हो, ठीक है, आप जोन में हो और आप ऐसे वो आप घुसे हुए हो, बहुत हैवी सीन है, बहुत लंबा सीन है, आपको जोन में बहुत टाइम तक रहना है. पता नहीं क्यों बीच सब सही चल रहा है, बीच टेक में हंस देगा, पता नहीं क्यों.
कई बार गुरबाज का
Yeah.
इतना खो जाता था क्योंकि
हो जाता.
गुरबाज इतना फनी इंसान वैसे ही है. और मुझे थोड़ा शुरू में बहुत मुश्किल होता था उसे फनी बनाना.
Yeah.
तो थोड़ा कॉमिक एलिमेंट है उसके अंदर. फिर वो इतना कॉमिक हो गया कि मेरे लिए चीजें भी थोड़ी कॉमिक होनी शुरू हो
मैंने
गई.
एक बार एक्चुअली रिमेंबर हम लोग सीन कर रहे थे रात को ना 2 बज रहा था और हम लोग ऐसे सीन कर रहे और पीछे ना किसी का रिंगटोन बज गया टिट. I said ये और I tried to ignore it पर दानिश रुका बोलता I said पूरा वापस करना पड़ेगा.
नहीं, पर मुझे सबसे ज्यादा मजा आता है काफी बार मैं किन टेक्स पे हूँ जहाँ पे मुश्किल हुआ लोगों के लिए, क्योंकि मैं उसमें मेरे पे कैमरा नहीं होता पर मैं लोगों को हंसा देता था.
बहुत ज्यादा.
तो वो ज्यादा फनी था.
Yeah. And finally, who's most likely to have the maximum number of takes on set? Like retakes.
बहुत जल्दी बहुत कम टाइम था बस. तो हम इतने
Yeah.
I think
nobody.
nobody actually.
Nobody. Everybody knew कि
yeah,
ये
क्योंकि
जल्दी
everyone had
करना
to
है.
be on time because we were
आप
shooting
क्योंकि
in
आप ये
locations.
शूटिंग इन रियल लोकेशन और वो उसकी परमिशन हमको ज्यादा वापस मिलती नहीं, तो हमको पता था कि ये प्रिपेयर होके आ रहा है बॉस, ज्यादा
जितना वो टाइम फ्रेम में उसमें ही करना है.
We couldn't waste a lot of time and luckily हम काफी सारी चीजें कर रहे होते थे तो we had to just move from one location to another because we had to mostly be doing all the bits that required us to be there on time.
But thank you so much, guys,
Thank
for
you.
this insightful yet some funny conversation. I had a lovely time speaking to you guys, and I wish you all the luck for Naam Namak Nishan. I hope it reaches to a wide audience
Thank you.
and people give all the love to it.
Thank you
Thank you
so
so
Thank
much.
you so